Ever found yourself needing a legal document or some quick legal advice, but the thought of exorbitant lawyer fees or wading through confusing legal jargon made you just give up? You're not alone. The world of law can feel incredibly intimidating, especially for individuals and small business owners who just need a straightforward answer or a standard contract. So, what if there was a way to navigate this complex landscape without breaking the bank or dedicating hours to understanding obscure statutes? That's precisely the problem Rocket Lawyer aims to solve. For years, legal services were largely inaccessible to the average person, reserved for those with deep pockets or facing severe legal crises. The idea of getting a simple non-disclosure agreement, drafting a last will and testament, or even just asking a quick legal question without being charged hundreds of dollars an hour seemed like a pipe dream. But then came the internet, and with it, the rise of online legal platforms. Rocket Lawyer emerged as a front-runner in this digital revolution, promising to make the law simple and affordable for everyone. But how exactly does Rocket Lawyer work its magic? Is it a substitute for a traditional law firm, or more of a helpful tool? Let's dive deep into the ins and outs of this popular online legal service, exploring its features, benefits, and what you can truly expect when you sign up. At its core, Rocket Lawyer operates on a membership-based model, though it does offer some services to non-subscribers. Think of it like a legal toolkit with different levels of access depending on your needs. The main offering is their monthly subscription, which typically costs around $39.99. This membership is where the real value lies, unlocking a suite of features designed to empower you with legal resources. One of the most appealing aspects for many users is the extensive library of legal documents. Whether you need a simple lease agreement, an independent contractor agreement, a bill of sale, or even more complex documents like an LLC operating agreement or a last will and testament, Rocket Lawyer provides customizable templates. You don't start from scratch. Instead, you answer a series of straightforward questions, and the platform intelligently populates the document for you. This interactive process ensures that the document is tailored to your specific situation and jurisdiction, minimizing the risk of errors that can arise from generic, static templates found elsewhere online. The system also stores all your documents securely, allowing you to access, edit, print, or e-sign them at any time, from any device. This is a massive time saver and keeps all your important legal paperwork neatly organized in one place. Beyond just creating documents, Rocket Lawyer also offers a crucial feature called Ask a Lawyer. This is where the platform truly distinguishes itself from simply being a document generator. As a member, you can submit specific legal questions to a network of licensed attorneys. The typical response time is within 1 business day, providing real, personalized answers to your queries. This isn't a chatbot or a general FAQ. These are actual lawyers providing guidance. For more complex issues, members can also request 30-minute consultations with attorneys, allowing for a deeper dive into their legal matters. This access to professional legal advice at a fraction of the cost of traditional law firms is a game-changer for many small businesses and individuals who might otherwise forgo legal counsel due to cost concerns. Consider a small business owner launching a new venture. They need to form an LLC, draft an operating agreement, create independent contractor agreements for their freelancers, and perhaps even set up an employee handbook down the line. Traditionally, this would involve multiple visits to a lawyer, significant billable hours, and a substantial financial outlay. With Rocket Lawyer, they can handle the LLC formation, often included free for the first one with a membership, excluding state fees, generate all the necessary contracts, and, if a question pops up about compliance or a specific clause, they can simply use the Ask a Lawyer feature. This streamlines the entire process, making legal compliance far more accessible and manageable. Another standout feature is Document Defense. This provides peace of mind, especially for contracts. If a document you created through Rocket Lawyer is disputed, an attorney from their network can step in on your behalf to help resolve the issue. This acts as a protective layer, demonstrating the validity and enforceability of your legally sound documents. It's an added layer of security that you wouldn't get with just a downloaded template. So, is Rocket Lawyer a replacement for an in-person attorney? For complex litigation, intricate negotiations, or highly specialized legal matters, probably not. Rocket Lawyer excels at handling common legal needs, providing accessible documents and general advice. It's a fantastic resource for preventative law, ensuring you have the right agreements in place, understanding basic compliance, and getting quick answers to common questions. It empowers individuals and small businesses to take control of their legal affairs proactively, reducing the need for costly reactive legal intervention down the line. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, guiding you through the process with clear language and intuitive interfaces. They prioritize simplicity, aiming to demystify the legal world. And for those just looking to explore, Rocket Lawyer often offers a free trial period, typically 7 days, allowing you to create a few documents or ask a single question before committing to a full membership. This is a great way to test the waters and see if the service aligns with your needs. In essence, Rocket Lawyer democratizes legal services. It offers a bridge between the complexity of the legal system and the everyday needs of individuals and small businesses. By providing a vast library of customizable documents, direct access to legal professionals, and features like document defense, it makes legal protection and compliance far more attainable and affordable. It's a proactive tool that helps you safeguard your interests, understand your rights, and navigate common legal situations with greater confidence. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.